In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get the CITI Custom Cash credit card. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to CITI.com. From here, you'll need to go over to the credit card section, explore credit cards, and then from here you can either click explore credit cards and then search for Custom Cash right here, or you can just scroll down until you see it. From here, you'll need to click on it and then click apply now. From here, a new application page will pop up where you have the opportunity to sign in with your already existing account. If you do that, all these information will automatically be filled out that I'm going to show you in just a second. From here, you'll need to go down to your personal information and enter your first name, middle name, last name, and suffix if you have that. You'll also need to enter your email address so Citibank can mail you whether or not you have been accepted into the credit card program. From here, you'll need to enter your social security number or ITIN number right here and your date of birth with month, day, and then year lastly. From here, you'll be asked if you are a US citizen, and if you're not, you'll be able to select the specific country that you are citizen in. From here, you'll need to enter your address and phone number so Citibank can send you the credit card when you get approved for it. So you'll need to enter your street address, apartment, zip code, city, and then lastly state. You can also add if you have a PO box and then enter that specific information. You'll also need to enter your mobile phone number right here, and you can enter and click right here if you have a home phone number also. From here, you'll need to enter your financial information like total annual income and monthly mortgage or rent payment. Pretty self-explanatory. If you have income that is not taxable in the US, you'll need to check this off and then add in your non-taxable annual income. From here, you'll need to add in authorized users, and you can add up to 5 authorized users per credit card. So you can do that by clicking right here. From here, you also need to enter a security word so it's easier to find you when you call Citibank or register for the Citi online services. So you can just choose your security word hint and then enter your security word right here. From here, you'll need to enter your terms and condition, and here you can read all about this specific custom cash credit card, and it really is helpful to read all of this or potentially print it out on your printer. From here, you'll see the paperless enrollment requirement, and here you can just click take this box off, take this box off to agree to Citi's terms and conditions. From here, you'll need to click agree and submit. Then from here, you'll get an email from Citi that they have received your application, and in a couple of days, they will get back to you whether or not you have been accepted into the CITI Custom Cash credit card program. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!